That way or that way?
We go this way.
Oh, we can, babe?
Yeah, it's in this.
Oh, sorry, down.
All right, good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
We are here on our final day on land. We are in Coco Cay, which is,
Daddy.
I see.
Oh, they're going to let balloons down at some point, apparently.
Maybe, let's see. Oh, well, we're here at Coco Cay, Bahamas as well, which I think is just on the other side of the island. So we have to take a tender boat, which last time we had to do that was in Honduras or Belize?
I think so. In Belize, I think, babe.
Yeah, so this is a little small boat because the ship is too big to actually dock on the island. So it stops at a certain point. We take a little boat to get to the actual island. This is a private island owned by Royal Caribbean, which is pretty dope. Can't wait to buy you your own island. We'll call it Amber Bay.
Amber Bay.
Or Liberty Island.
Yeah, Liberty Island.
So there's supposed to be a lot of stuff to do on the actual island. They're doing a little bit of construction as well.
Come on,
Lil. But we're going to have some fun. So we'll check back in from the boat.
All right, y'all.
How are you enjoying yourself, Sunshine?
I'm having an awesome time.
Did the Lord heal you?
At first I was sick, but the Lord healed me because Mommy asked the Lord yesterday.
Take one.
Yeah. I'm so glad that you're back to your normal self. You're so much fun.
She is, y'all. She was like, oh my goodness, give me a hand. She was like not smiling, not jumping all over the place.
Yeah.
Anybody that knows Libby is not quiet at all unless she's, a little uncomfortable and she doesn't know you.
Yeah.
But she was just quiet and tired, and we were just like, oh. But then when she started jumping on the bed this morning, we were like, hallelujah.
Let's see if one is here. I don't think one's here yet. So
need no ID to get out.
Alright, so we're on the boat, just waiting until it fills up a little bit, and then we'll head to the actual island. How you feeling so far?
Feel good, y'all. It's such a pretty day. The water is beautiful. It's just, we're glad to be here.
Yes. It's definitely hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Feels like it's like in the high 80s or something like that.
Yeah.
They don't know no winter time in the Caribbean.
Yeah.
No. Alright, we'll see y'all in a little bit. Oh, go ahead.
No, that's it. Bye.
Alright.
Island. It's really cute. It literally is like an island.
It is.
Like its own space and place.
And this entire island is owned by Royal Caribbean.
Ooh.
So that's dope.
Yeah.
They got some pineapples. Maybe we can find some coconut today.
Yeah.
This is real pretty. Let me let y'all see it.
We're walking toward it. That's the only thing Libby can say. Talking about, but where's the beach?
We're gonna find the beach. Very, very colorful, very island vibe to it, of course. There's a grill right here.
A little baby.
Hoping and praying.
Shower.
Freshwater shower.
Ooh, some smell good, y'all.
Open and praying, they got a big. Oh, you know what? They have
included.
a buffet here. Yeah,
it's included. That's right. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Let's go eat.
They got juice and everything. Yeah. Look, Liv, they got juice and
water. This is awesome.
Water. Cool. Oh, this is really dope that they have this amenity here.
You want some juice, Mama? Okay.
Buried under all of this is a veggie patty that they had available. It was there upon request, obviously. You look very nice, very much ready for the beach. Libby's looking ready for the beach. Everybody got burgers.
Yeah.
And got some potatoes, and we just loaded it up with a bunch of veggies and some hummus on here as well. So we'll eat and then we'll check in with you guys once we get to the beach.
It's good.
It's good? Let me see. You got a better picture. Oh yeah, that does look good. Oh yeah, that looks really good.
So pretty. There are a lot of people.
Very nice.
Yeah, there's our ship.
That's yeah.
Oh, baby, you feel that breeze?
Oh, the breeze feels awesome.
Oh, let me get a picture right here.
Oh, this is dope. Very dope. Check this out, guys. This is really awesome.
Yes, it is.
Bahamas on a budget.
Bahamas on the budget. Love that bag. Hi, Pumpkin. Hi, handsome. Ooh, this water's cold, y'all. It is cold. Woo. Let me get myself. Y'all, look. Look at all of this. All of God's creation. I love saying that because it's just so amazing. All right, I'm going to get my behind back over here, put my phone up so I can enjoy and not drop my phone.
You love truth, you are forbidden. You're a smart man, a magician. You're looking for all, plenty, plenty of God. You're looking for all, you're bound to get done, but why you want to marry? You ain't have no money, you ain't walking the way, you ain't have a pity.
We're done with our day.
Very fun, y'all.
About to get some water and get on back on the ship. All right, y'all, we are back on the tender boat,
Yeah,
and we've had a spectacular day.
we had so much fun, y'all. Too much fun. Libby didn't want to leave the water, but y'all, it was so cool.
And we even saw starfish.
I was just about to say that. Yes, there was a lady, her and her son found a big starfish and a little baby one, and they let Libby hold it, and it was really, really cool.
Yeah.
They were hard. I didn't realize how hard they were.
Yeah. I didn't want to hold it. I was afraid that it would sting.
It didn't, y'all. It was just there still, just as still as my hand is right now.
Do they move at all?
Yeah, when they're in the water, but it was still, y'all.
Wow. Well, we are gonna wait for the boat to take us back, the little boat to take us back to the big boat.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna rest for a little bit,
Yes.
and then probably go get something to eat again.
Yep.
All right, y'all. Peace. So we're here at dinner, and we look at Liv, waving that flag. We did that segment a little earlier, and she's still having some fun. They're doing a little performance for us. We hadn't seen this all cruise, and we normally get this every night on Carnival, so that's a big difference. But they are having fun. They're definitely having fun. What were you saying about this being the first time we saw something like this?
Yeah, y'all. I was like, turn up, babe. Like, you're not even a turn up type of person. No, I'm not. But we didn't have no entertainment. They finally give us some. Yeah.
Anything, Liv?
Woo! Come on now. Come on, mama.
Right.
That's what she thinks about it. Woo!
All right, y'all. So we are here for Thanksgiving dinner. Babe's getting a picture.
Libby wave.
Look at that delicious cake that we can't eat because it's
Yeah.
probably not vegan. Yeah, more than likely it isn't. I'm not even bother asking. But
Pretty pink though.
we're here in the Windjammer, which is the buffet area, because we're just not gonna fool with the dining tonight. So it's Thanksgiving Day. Want to wish you guys a happy Thanksgiving from the family. Oh,
Yep. Happy Thanksgiving too to mom.
everyone back home,
Yeah.
and we're gonna try to walk around and see if there's any food that we can eat.
Yep.
All right.
Thank you.
Making my way downtown.
All right. Well, Libby can go. They serve herself in the middle. I don't see a whole bunch, babe. Do you?
I don't either. Oh, they got a little chocolate fountain right here.
They got some fruit you can get. You want some fruit, mama?
Oh, wow.
I don't know if we can.
Chocolate.
It looks so good. Hello.
Hey.
May we have a fruit, please?
Yes,
We
Mommy.
can just take it. Yeah.
I've seen the chocolate.
Do we just take
fountain.
it? Oh, okay. I wasn't.
Yeah, you don't like chocolate?
Is it milk chocolate
Okay.
or?
Milk chocolate? Let me
Is
ask.
it? Okay, thank you. If it's dark chocolate, we finna go in. Daddy, here you are, babe.
Thank you. All right, so they've got some vegetable stir fry right here. Got some chana masala. We love Indo Pack. You know that's vegan.
Yeah.
Vegetable fried rice, steamed rice, and some sliders over there.
Okay.
Last night you have.
Okay.
Not only dal, this one only.
Okay.
They got a
All right.
veggie patty
You're
upon
welcome, Mom.
request over
What
there.
about a vegan burger, a veggie burger?
Veggie burger, we don't have also.
Okay. Thank
Thank you.
Y'all look right here. It says fruits of the spirit. Galatians 5:22-23. And they have some carrot, ginger drink right here. Then right here they have a chilled strawberry juice. We're not quite sure what's in it. We're gonna ask in a moment so that we can hopefully partake.
That'd be awesome. Liberty, how's your food? All right. Mommy, how's your food?
Excelente.
What'd you get there? What's that? What's that? The shine? And
I have chana masala, teriyaki. Oh no, sorry. Vegetable fried rice, teriyaki veggies, roll, and some papadum. I think is what it's called.
Okay.
They're good.
I
you
have,
hear some?
I have some roti, and I've got some grilled veggies, veggie fried rice, some more grilled veggies, barbecue sauce to go with my veggie patty, some french fries that I'm probably not gonna finish. It sucks being a vegan on a cruise ship. Let me be honest with you.
On this cruise
We
ship.
pass by all this delicious looking food that we quite frankly can't eat. And some people might say, well, see, that's why I can't go vegan, because it's too much depravity. It is what it is. We're not tripping on it. They did accommodate us most of the nights, and we do have a lot of good options. It's just that, man, the food that they had that's non-vegan, it looks so good. But eyes on the prize, right?
Amen.
So we're gonna enjoy this food, and we just we're gonna think about that food as we're eating it and make ourselves feel a little bit better. At least me.
Guys, we're headed off the ship. It was such a lovely time. I was just telling Babe just now how the way to get off the ship here at Royal Caribbean is very efficient compared to Carnival, because you're literally like waiting for a long while, but we knew ahead of time what time we needed to report to the area that we are now, and we're heading off already, so it's pretty cool. We'll see how it is once we get to our luggage and be able to tell you more about that, but overall it's been wonderful being here. What about you, babe?
Overall, it's been really dope. Beautiful ship and just magnificent looking ship. The wait staff, everybody was super friendly. No complaints there. The service was top notch. Pedro, our room attendant, was awesome. Every time we came back to the room, even when we didn't think he was around, we came back to the room, our bed was dressed, and our servers were awesome. You know, they try to be as accommodating as possible.
But I will add,
See, I'll let Babe do it. I know I'm gonna be the bearer of bad
Carnival
news.
wins, y'all, when it comes to the vegan option. So yesterday, which was Thanksgiving, we chose not to end the dining because we were pretty disappointed with the options that they had for us, and then like as it related to dessert, it was like not good. But yeah, y'all, so the food here was not good. We even tried to get some scrambled tofu in the, I guess, like the big dining area today, and we were just not able to. So that sucked. And for that reason, you know, we discussed that we probably wouldn't take Royal Caribbean again, unless, you know, they made some changes. They came out and, you know, said some things about it.
Yeah, they gotta step up their vegan options. Veganism is so much more wildly popular now that I would think it would be an incentive to add a completely separate menu that's vegan. So we don't know, but overall, like I said, what would you grade? What would you give this grade?
Royal Caribbean.
A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This announcement is followed.
I would give it a grade of an 8 because it was still a great experience. It was very elegant, well put together. It just was very different. Very good morning. Very, very different from Carnival. So what grade would you give Royal Caribbean?
Okay, I'm gonna give you a background before I say the grade. But I'm grading on food, presentation, service, and the overall excursion experience. And I would give it a 7.
A 7.
A 7.
I can understand it because I was thinking 7 too initially.
Yeah.
But I think what put it over, what made me go 8 versus 7 was the overall experience was very, very elegant, upscale, and I appreciate that.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
And I think they're two totally different ships. You go on Carnival for a specific reason.
Yeah.
You go on Royal Caribbean for a specific reason. So we're kind of a little bit of both. Carnival's kind of like the party ship.
Yeah.
Royal Caribbean's a little bit more formal, kind of more relaxed. So if that's our benefit, then if that's what you're looking for, then each one, one is not bad and one is not good. It's just good for different reasons. Okay, guys, I just want to say quickly, before we wrap up here, look at how efficient this checkout system is. Hold on.
Awesome.
Look at it. It is, oh, go ahead.
Yeah, I was just going to say that we were like 37 was our number that we called, and our luggage was right here waiting for us, y'all, right under the number.
Yeah.
Like, this is completely different from Carnival because it just, the way they did it just made so much
Because
sense.
of that, our tags being super efficient, I give them about a 7.5. 7.5.
The organization of Royal Caribbean is very, very, very good.
Yes.
Like, even how we came in, it was very efficient.
Right.
I mean, just every single thing that they put in place. Even though we had like my time dining, I think we mentioned this before.
Yeah.
They even were like, it would be wise to make a reservation. I mean, just little bitty things that you're just like, wow, okay, that makes a lot of sense. Even from how we always like to leave a tip, you guys, with our wait staff as well as with our room staff.
Right.
And so even how they had an envelope ready for it. I mean, it was just everything. Like, you could tell they've been doing this for a while.
Yep, they definitely are a very efficient cruise line.
Yeah. Look at
Yeah, so anywho, guys, we're about to go through customs right now. We appreciate you rocking with us for this video. If you have taken both Royal and Carnival or any of the other cruise lines out there, Norwegian or whatever, let us know in the comments below, what your ultimate cruise line, favorite cruise line is.
Yeah.
And if you're vegan, let us know how you navigated the different cruise ships. We did bring snacks.
Yeah.
And we had a lot of fruit while we were here. That helped a little bit.
It did help a little bit, yeah. But I told Babe, I said I definitely want us to sit down and do like a apples to apples, if you will, comparison between Carnival and Royal Caribbean, so we can kind of expound a little bit more on, what we thought were the good points, not so good points, so on and so forth.
Yeah, once we get settled and relax. So other than that, be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video. If you want to, keep in touch with us on our latest video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, because we're finding out that everybody isn't getting notifications of our videos unless you hit that bell. So we appreciate you as always. This is Marvin,
Amber, and
that's a good answer.
she's having too much fun. And
Hold on. And we're with the family. Oh, peace.